Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can purchase Snapchat Plus with an Apple gift card. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so what you need to do is transform your Apple gift card into your Apple account. So you need to first make sure that you are opening your App Store on your iPhone or your iPad. Tap on your profile icon on the top right hand side and then select redeem gift card or code. Enter your 16-digit code from your Apple gift card and add the balance to your Apple ID account. Then open Snapchat, go to the Snapchat Plus subscription page for your profile settings. Choose the Snapchat Plus plan that best fits your needs. This will either be a monthly or annual option. And then when you're prompted for payment, select your Apple account balance as the payment method, complete the purchase through the Apple's secure in-app purchase system, and then you can start enjoying the exclusive Snapchat Plus features pretty much immediately.